Khorezm is a region where a significant number of ossuaries related to burial traditions have been found. This sculpturesque ossuary in the shape of a sitting man dates to the 3rd century BC. It was put together from fragments found in the area of Khorezm, Kali. Items of clothing are of particular interest. However, it is amazing how skillfully the master sculpted the head with its semi-spherical helmet and large eyes and nose. The question remains, who was portrayed on such ossuaries? The deceased himself or the god patron? Some ossuaries were decorated with themed compositions such as this Sogdian ossuary of the 7th century. Here we can see fragments of ossuaries with exquisite architectural designs. At the Khorezm settlement, this unique specimen was also found, with its cover decorated with a male head making a grotesque facial expression.